So now,
Faith just ended the video, so we need to start over. Like, not start over. But the borax is making it look even worse.
guys.
Where's the toothpaste cap?
I didn't touch
Did
it.
you
Oh,
use more toothpaste when I was gone?
No, I didn't. I didn't, Caitlin.
No more for
There's
you.
the cat. I didn't use any. Guys, did I use any? We can check on the video.
Faith, I do not want you touching this because borax does like really burn you.
Oh, guys, this
Just
was a
mix.
fail.
Faith, don't mix over there, please. Hold it up like this.
I can't do 5 things at once with the camera in my hand.
So,
Okay,
actually, the borax is starting to make it look kind of
Let me
less
see.
clumpier.
Let me get some more toothpaste.
No, I'm adding them out then. Because this is the toothpaste that I use every night.
It's not coming out.
It's fine. You don't need any more toothpaste. Because you put in a whole bunch.
Now while
I
you were
need to
gone.
squeeze out that bit because there's dirt all over it now. This is why we do it over the board, Faith. Mine just looks really weird.
Mine was more like, it's not that.
Mine's powdered.
Mine's not really clumpy. Wait, try to throw it up.
What was it, honey? It was like a huge fly. No.
Caitlin, it's okay.
It was like, no, it was like that big. It was huge.
Caitlin, it probably wasn't a fly then.
It was. It made the little buzzy noises.
Then you should run when you hear a buzzy noise.
I'm not able to cover it.
I'm gonna add some
No.
more. I'm just gonna mix like this because it's hard to mix it up.
Then I'll hold the camera and you mix it. Hello, is this show? No. Yuck. Ah, sorry. All right.
Ask the parent before you do it because it actually could stain balls. Let me touch this.
Don't touch the borax, Faith.
A lot of people
It's like your heat thing in your pool. If you touch it too long, it will burn you.
it actually felt hot. Like heat was on it.
Sorry.
Yeah, this slime video was a fail.
Definite fail. And my dad told me it wouldn't work. So I just kind of went for it. This looks like blue sand. Maybe we could trick someone into this sand. Oh, that'd be fun. Oh, sorry guys. I keep like pointing you in the wrong direction. I'm bad. Oh, wow, Faith. Oh, I just covered up the camera. Okay. So that's good.
Stuff got on the board. A lot.
Faith. That's the board we jump bikes on. This looks... Oh. I just spilled it on me. Okay, anyways, this looks good to eat, right? It's no.
Like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like to see more videos of us fail. See you guys next time. Bye.